Well, good morning. We made it to Cross Mountain Road. Back from Rabbit Hole, the Rabbit Hole. And I don't know about Mischief, but I really enjoyed my stay.
Yeah, it's a nice place.
Yeah, really cool. So everything that you're hearing and reading about it is true. Highly recommended in my book. If you're in the area, definitely stop by. It's a bit foggy, but it should make it interesting. But I've never walked through this in the fog before, so this is going to be a first once again. And that's the cool thing about hiking the trail over and over again, different seasons. It's always different every time. It's tricky.
Yeah.
So you can either pull it or push it. It'll go either way, but you have to pull one of those discs. Yeah, it's human-proof and cow-proof. Here we are, back on trail. You can do it, Garvey. Come on. You can do it. I'll help you. Ready? Oh, there we go. Well, this has been nice through here, and I'm really glad that it stopped raining, because the second that Mischief and I loaded our packs into the shuttle, it was a torrential biblical downpour. Yeah, all the way up to Cross Mountain parking lot. And I was having serious thoughts of other things besides hiking in the rain. But it turned out well. As soon as we pulled into the lot, the rain stopped, and I hope that you enjoyed the views as much as I did. Okay, so the last blaze of the pasture, and we're about to head into the woods. This is my kind of trail here. Nice and flat, not many roots or rocks, and there's a nice breeze blowing. I love it. Okay, so we're just rolling into Double Springs, and it's going to be break time for sure. Garvey has polished off his food like a pro. We've got 8-track kiwi, banana, and apple. Rehydrated, and it is pretty awesome.
8-track meals are not available in stores.
Okay, so we're finally leaving Double Springs, and so far the rain's held off. So that's been nice, and hopefully it will continue to do just that. I think we're going to try and go at least as far as Low Gap, unless it starts really pouring rain. Then Mischief will have troubles when his feet get wet. But yeah, we're just going to take it as we go and go with the flow. Nice camping here. We've camped back over in that area before. These stumps are where you got to watch out for rattlers. They love hiding in that rotten wood. Yeah, nice grassy camping spots. That's the Holston Mountain Trail over there. That's actually former AT as well. Listen to what I'm hearing. We're like 5 minutes away from the shelter. And we're supposed to get a downpour at some point today. But yeah, this could be a foolish decision, leaving this nice dry shelter. We'll find out. This could be just a little teaser. But I have a feeling I'm going to be breaking the umbrella out any second now. This is what we're walking through right now. If you can't tell, it is wet out here, and I don't think it's letting it up anytime soon. Seriously questioning my decision to leave the shelter. But you never know. It could stop 5 minutes from now and the sun might come out. You just never can tell. But in the meantime, just gotta laugh about it. This is kind of nice through here, especially since it's not raining anymore. Makes it even nicer. And hopefully we'll find a stopping point where we can sit and dry out for a few. Pretty cool area through here. Yeah, you can actually see Shady Valley on a nice day over there. This was going to be our view for the day, but that's okay. Mischief just saw a fox somewhere up in here. I couldn't get focused on it.
He went up in that brush. I seen him when he went across right here. And he went up.
Oh, it went across the trail?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Right in front of him. He's right up in that somewhere.
Seems like you're never rolling when something like that happens.
Yep.
Yeah, this is a nice view from here, but you can't see a whole lot today. Alright, so this is where we're at now. Mischief's deal, man. I'm really glad that he has this tent. Because we were about, what, 2 minutes from this campsite? Yeah. And it opened up, so we're just trying to wait it out right now. If it ever stops, it might try to hitch back to Damascus. This is nuts. And we're just both soaking wet, no fun. Yeah. Garvey's got him a nice semi-dry corner over there. But yeah, so that's what's going on for now. And yeah, really thankful to be under this tarp right now. It's awesome.
That worked. Then we didn't have to stand out there hoping for a hit.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I knew he'd come because he's good friends with you, and he told me if I ever needed anything.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so here's the latest. Mischief was able to text Lone Wolf on Facebook Messenger, and he's gonna come pick our grimy selves up.
We'll come back tomorrow.
Yeah,
Dry stuff.
we're coming back tomorrow with dry stuff. We're gonna go stay at my house tonight, treat it like a hostel stay, and come on back tomorrow once we're refreshed and dry and unpruny. Because yeah, this is definitely no fun, and we're out to have fun. All right, here we are in the back of a pickup truck, and we've got Lone Wolf, Garvey's uncle, the infamous Lone Wolf. We're looking forward to drying off, and we'll come back here in a day or two when it's weather's a little nicer.